Ooh, I done came up with something absolutely delicious for Big Daddy. Yes, I'm manifesting Big Daddy, so I'm cooking like he already here in hopes to draw him near. Listen, I made some chicken and rice, started with a hen. Of course, I had to wash it, clean it good with some vinegar under that running water. But baby, let me tell you, first of all, I put it in a pressure cooker with rosemary, parsley, fresh herbs, seasoning, and I'd use this better than bouillon and some jerk seasoning to give it some flavor. I really was trying out something, honey, and it really worked. So I'm going to share it with you. If it didn't work, I wasn't going to share it. But listen, I put it all in the pressure cooker. Of course, Campbell's. I can't do nothing without some Campbell's. And I had a cream of mushroom with roasted garlic. I put that, and then, of course, I put the water. I took the water and wrenched out the can and the jar of better than bouillon. I only had like a half a jar left because I used the other half to make some chicken soup. Put it in the pressure cooker for 30 minutes, which really mean like 45 because the steam took forever when I was trying to release it. So it's already cooked, smelling fragrant, amazing. Got all those herbs in it. It's healthy. So then I bake it. I put it over in the pan. Of course, I got to use that Kerrygold butter because I'm telling you, y'all, that's fire. That Kerrygold butter got some flavor in it. I put zucchini, onions, and a little squash in it, and then I took the broth, all the juice from the hen, and poured it over it so that it'll get the seasoning and the gravy. And then I put some more fresh parsley, what I had left, on top of it. Baby, when I tell you this was fire, this was so dang on good. And I boiled the rice, brown rice added in the broth with chicken in the broth that was still left that didn't get poured over. Baby, that rice was so doggone good because it already had the chicken in it, all of the seasonings and everything. I let that broth just come to a boil, add that rice to it. Baby, listen, I done started something up in here, honey. When Big Daddy get here, baby, he gonna eat good. Plating is everything. You know, I wanted it to look good. So I put my rice on the plate. And then I took that hen, that chicken out the oven. You know, it had already been pressure cooked. Then it got cooked again. I seasoned it a little bit more and added all of the vegetables. Baby, this stuff was so doggone good. Baby, I'm smacking my lips just looking at the video again. It was absolutely delicious. Everything was tender and flavorful and good for you because I used my brown rice. I used my vegetables. Hey, Big Daddy, come on. Dinner is served. Time to eat.